Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll show you how to log into your Facebook account without phone number and email address. In case if you forget your Facebook password, email address and phone number, then you can log in back your account without phone number and email. Before moving further, like this video, click on subscribe button and you have to click on the notification icon. Click on all so you will get the notifications for all the upcoming videos. In method 1 you have to go to your phone settings, scroll down, here you will see option Google. You have to click on it. Click on manage your Google account and then you have to go to right word. Here you will see security option. You have to click on it and then you have to scroll down. Here you will see password manager option. You have to click on it and then here you will find your Facebook account details. You have to click on it and then here you will find your Facebook account login details, email address and password also, and you can use these details to log in back your Facebook account. In method 2 you have to open your browser. Click on these three dots which you can see at the top right side. Click on settings and then you have to click on passwords and then here you will find Facebook login details. You have to click on it and then here you will find your Facebook login details, your email address, password or phone number password. So in case if you also forget your Facebook login details, you can also log in back to your Facebook account without email and phone number. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.